Now, what is this scanning? Scanning is similar to our book reading. When you want to read a book, what you do? You start the left end of the page, read a line till extreme highest corner, and then go down to the next line. When you have finished with that page, and if you wish to read it again, you go back to the first line and start again at the left corner. So it is similar to scanning. In television scanning, the optical image of the object, that is the form of TV camera, is broken into series of horizontal line by the electron beam. The brightness information of the picture element is converted into electrical signal. So the scanning is done line by line, horizontal from left to right and vertical from top to bottom. Once it comes to the end and goes back to top left corner, this is called retrace, which is very high, very fast, and it is a blanked off. So in all you will come across the retrace while scanning horizontal and again go back to the star vertically. The working of scanning. Scanning takes place in a sequence manner. Second, in one cycle of field frequency, 625 lines are scanned. In one cycle, one picture is produced. In 1 second, 15 pictures are produced. Total number of lines are 40. Interlace scanning. In interlace scanning is divided into two parts. In first part, odd lines are scanned, and in second part, even lines are scanned. Total 625 lines are scanned. To produce the full picture, 2 cycles are required. In one cycle, 25 pictures are. The picture quality. If the synchronization is perfect, then the picture reproduced will be absolutely still, but it will must have a sharp detail, correct height and width, strong contrast and high brightness. In case of color picture, it will must have a correct resolution. The picture quality improve with great detail. The quality of detail is called resolution. It depends on number of pixels that can be reproduced. How a line is scanned. Before going into the detail of the horizontal synchronous, vertical synchronous and the blinking pulse, let us see what happens when each line is scanned. At the end of each line, the horizontal blinking signal is set, which is prevent of electronic beam from reaching the image plate. The image plate at the camera tube or a picture tube. Now we have to that blanking period. The beam must come back into the left side and scan the next line. Therefore, with the horizontal blinking signal on, horizontal synchronizing pulse causes the horizontal deflection coil moving on it. The position of electron beam from right side of the screen to the left side. The picture information produced by scanning the image from top to bottom in this standard interlace scanning system is known as a field. The odd and even line are scanned separately. Thus, two fields are necessary to produce a complete picture. The number of fields scanned as per second is known as a field frequency, and in India it is a 15 field per second. The total number of information contained in scan image is known as a one frame. One frame consists of two fields. Therefore, frame frequency is 225 frame per second. The number of time electron beam swept across the screen in horizontal direction is known as the horizontal scan frequency or horizontal repetition rate. It is 15,625 Hz in India across to CIR standard.